Hey friends, if the Minecraft launcher won't open on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Minecraft and you'll find the Minecraft launcher here. Officially, I will guide you through the solutions to app settings, but trust me, you'll have to uninstall and reinstall it. But anyway, let us start this way. Click on app settings. Now scroll down, click on terminate to terminate the process. Then on repair, wait for a few seconds till you get the tick mark here. Then click on reset and reset once again. In the case 15 to 20% cases, this might be helpful, but if not, then here's what you have to do. Uninstall it and uninstall it. Uninstall it completely. It will need a while for that. Once it is uninstalled, search for store and go to the Microsoft Store. Okay. And then search for Minecraft here. Go to Minecraft launcher. Okay. You'll have to click on install and it will mention the location as C drive Xbox games. Change it to some other drive which has space or at least change the location. Okay. You will have to change it to another drive and this time it says D drive Xbox games. So this is not the system drive and it is automatically creating a folder named Xbox games. Click on install. That is it, period. Once you do this, it will take a while to install the Minecraft launcher and then it will work smoothly like anything. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.